Well, hello there. I'm Rebecca Robeson and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. Rather than a room design or project video, I want to talk to you about your home and how I can help you make it beautiful.
Oh my good Lord, what a feeling.
But a little backstory first. While I was working on and completing the Cliff House project this last year, I decided to take a pause on any future projects. That's right, no projects, no clients. First time I've done that in 30 years. And you want to know why? Well, it's because of you. As much as I love designing beautiful, amazing homes for my clients, I also really like to help people who probably would never be able to afford my services. Let's admit it, hiring a professional interior designer is expensive. Every year, thousands of you reach out to me and you ask me to help you make your homes beautiful. In case you don't think I see your notes or your comments, I see them, and I really want to help you. It is a huge blessing to have over 1 million of you following me here on YouTube now. But there's also a downside. And the downside is it is impossible to respond to everyone, to get back to you and answer your questions and actually help you. I love seeing your notes of encouragement and reading what you think about my projects. Even when I announced here on YouTube that I was going through a painful divorce, there was such an avalanche of support for me here. You've been with me through the good times and you've been with me through the rough patches.
Don't stop now.
But one thing that's been difficult is I haven't been able to be there for you as much as I'd like to be. So I've decided to take some time off and focus on my new home, and better yet, on you. Over the last few months, I've been moving into my new home here in Tulsa, and my daughter Shara and I have been looking at your comments and your questions. We've been trying to think of a way that we could give you even more help and guidance here on YouTube, on Instagram, and on the design sessions. A lot of you feel stuck. You feel like it's going to be too expensive or it's just going to be too hard, leaving you with a lack of confidence and a sense that you're never going to achieve the home that you love. As Mrs. Doubtfire said, "Help is on the way, dear." Shara and I have worked together to streamline our approach to interior design. We boiled it down to 8 simple steps that are easy to follow, and we call it life-changing home design.
You were my best decision.
So what is an online course, you may be wondering? Well, think of it as a virtual classroom where Shara and I are your instructors, walking you through every step along the way. As part of the course, you'll receive a downloadable workbook, a roadmap of sorts, to exactly what steps to take to manage your project, large or small, to get you to the other side, to the home that you truly love. You might be wondering, how does this course differ from the design sessions? Well, if you take my analogy about life-changing home design course being a class, then the design sessions would be like having a library card that gives you great and deep resources that will help you as you're taking the course. Make sense?
Don't stop now.
If this sounds like something that you're interested in, then listen up, because this next part is really important. This is the first time we've ever shared our process in so much depth and in such a personal way. And since we want to ensure that everyone who signs up for this course gets the attention and the support from our team and from us, we're going to be limiting the amount of students that we will be accepting. Spots are going to be granted on a first-come, first-served basis. So if this is something you're serious about, and trust me, you are not going to want to miss this, then find the link in the description box below and place your name on the early bird wait list. And those of you who sign up for the wait list, you're going to get a chance to enroll in the course an entire day before it's released to the public. Based on the number of people who reach out to us and ask for our help, we feel pretty certain that this class is going to fill up extremely fast. So if you want to increase your chances, like I said, go and get your name on that wait list. Also, in the next few days, we're going to be uploading a free 6-part video series outlining our process and explaining why it works so well. But pay attention here. These videos will not be uploaded to our YouTube channels. We know that a lot of you like to watch our videos for a little bit of inspiration, entertainment, the amazing reveals that we do, and that is perfectly fine. What we don't want to do is bog you guys down with all these details. However, for those who are serious about learning our process, I cannot emphasize enough, be sure to sign up for the wait list. By doing that, you'll have access to the free 6-part video series. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you can see that we are very excited about this because we know it will change your life. If you're interested in knowing more about the life-changing home design course, then click the link in the description box below. It'll take you right to where you need to go to find out more information. And remember to sign up for the wait list. The people on the wait list have a much better and higher chance of getting into the class. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Now!